Hi guys, Nikko is here. In this video I'm going to repair a hood of my 2006 Saab 93 Aero. So enough talking, let's do it. I need to admit one thing here. I didn't realize that my hood is aluminum and not steel. So at some point I applied too much force and the metal is a little snapped. You can see it in the video. What could I do? The right choice would be to weld it, but I don't have an aluminum welding machine, TIG welding or something like this, and I cannot bring the car to welder, and to bring the welder to me it's too expensive. So I just put the most strong DB weld there, and I put a washer, steel washer on the internal side of the hood to reinforce it. And actually the result is very good. I tried it and it it's very strong. So it's probably not the best option to do, but it's the most inexpensive and at the same time rather reliable one. So let's go further. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, please give me a thumbs down. And write in the comments what would you do better than me. Or if you want to ask something or you want to advise me something, please be my guest. Do not hesitate to write something in the comments. I really love to talk to you guys. I really love to answer your comments. I really love to see your reaction on my video. And do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel there. Thank you very much and see you next time.